So you're back, kids, and you have still questions about why Uncle Alan choose that flashlight. Okay, this one right here. Well, this one is same as the one I saw at the sporting goods store for $73. Okay, did take two AA batteries. I know Dominic would be interesting. Uncle Alan's cheap. Okay, I don't like to spend money.
No!
All right, this is why I got this one. Because remember I showed you. Okay, high, low, oh more. Whoops, that's high again. Low, and strobe. Strobe is the fine feature that we're trying to get, because up close, this really whacks the hell out of cameras and people and a lot of things. If everybody has a camera, all I have to do is point this at the camera. Again, it's by this brand. I had to look around for it. Lowe's have it. It's really good. Designed in America. For the main reason, it's the strobing on it. I looked at several strobing models. This is the best because it interferes with cameras. Cell phone, smartphone, computers, if you kind of notice, it does work. Okay. In the old days, Uncle Alan only had this and this. Okay. Double A's on this one. C cells on this one. Okay. Reach the distance. And if I do signaling, I have a signal button. Great, you try to do strobe with that. Okay, a lot of people don't understand what Uncle Alan's doing, but this is a short one. Just answer the questions of people. I'm not going to spend $73 on a flashlight that I might have to throw away. This one. Normally that's about $22 to $25. I got it on sale at Lowe's for $12.49. I have the receipt in my pocket, and I think I spent a really good chunk of change on it. I bought some other stuff, but less than 20 bucks I got that. So think about it, folks. Go around your hardware store, your grocery store, your dollar store. Keep an eye out for these items. I'll catch you next time. You have a nice day.